Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Today, we are navigating the regulatory landscape of Colombia, a key market in Latin America's burgeoning medtech sector. The regulatory body here is the National Food and Drug Surveillance Institute, known as INVIMA. For manufacturers of low-risk medical devices, Colombia offers a particularly attractive path to market entry. This pathway is often referred to as an automatic registration process, specifically for Class I and Class IIa devices. However, the term automatic can be misleading. It signifies a streamlined process, not a complete absence of scrutiny. This process is technically a notification, rather than a full, in-depth technical review. Class I devices include products like non-sterile gloves and bandages. Class IIa devices represent a slightly higher risk, such as surgical suction equipment or contact lens solutions. For both these classes, INVIMA does not perform a detailed evaluation of the technical dossier before granting the registration. Instead, they trust the documentation provided and the approval from a recognized reference country. The core requirement is a complete and accurately prepared submission dossier. This dossier must include several key documents. First, you need a certificate of free sale, or its equivalent from your country of origin, proving the device is approved for sale there. Second, evidence of a quality management system, typically an ISO 13485 certificate, is mandatory. You must also provide technical information, including the device description, intended use, and labeling. Crucially, all foreign documents must be properly legalized, usually with an apostille, and translated into Spanish by an official translator. A common pitfall we have observed involves documentation errors. For instance, a European company seeking to register a Class IIa diagnostic tool faced a 3-month delay. They assumed automatic registration meant their standard technical file would suffice. However, their certificate of free sale was not properly apostilled, and the Spanish translations were not done by a certified Colombian translator. INVIMA flagged these nonconformities, halting the process until the corrected documents were resubmitted. This case highlights that the devil is in the details. The advantage of the automatic system is speed. Once a complete and correct application is submitted, INVIMA typically processes it and issues the registration certificate within a few weeks. This allows manufacturers to begin importation and commercialization almost immediately after submission. This efficient pathway makes Colombia an excellent entry point for medtech companies looking to expand into Latin America. But it requires diligent preparation and local knowledge to avoid simple yet costly mistakes. For expert guidance on navigating INVIMA's requirements and ensuring a smooth market entry into Colombia or other LATAM markets, contact our team. You can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com. This efficient pathway makes Colombia an excellent entry point for medtech companies looking to expand into Latin America. But it requires diligent preparation and local knowledge to avoid simple yet costly mistakes. For expert guidance on navigating INVIMA's requirements and ensuring a smooth market entry into Colombia or other LATAM markets, contact our team.